If you had to put all your money into one investment and never look back, would you be able to make the right choice? Choosing where to invest your money can feel overwhelming. With so many options out there, from stocks and bonds to real estate and digital assets, it's easy to get lost in the sea of choices. But what if you could pick only one? Just one investment that you'd stick with forever. No switching or jumping around. One that would not only grow your wealth, but also give you peace of mind along the way. In this video, I'll cut through the noise and share with you the one investment I'd pick if I had to make a choice for life. This isn't about hype or trends. It's about finding a solid, reliable path to financial growth that can stand the test of time. So, if you're serious about your financial future and ready to hear what I think is the best all-in-one investment, let's get started. Chapter 1. The Case for Real Estate Investment. Real estate has been a wealth-building tool for centuries, and it's easy to see why it might be a top choice for a lifetime investment. Let's look at what makes real estate so powerful. First, there's cash flow. When you own rental property, you can collect rent from tenants each month. Over time, as rent prices go up, this income can increase, even while your mortgage payments stay the same. That's a great way to grow your monthly earnings. Then, you've got tax advantages. Owning real estate lets you take advantage of various deductions, like property taxes and maintenance costs. Plus, you can write off the property's depreciation, which helps you save even more on taxes. Appreciation is another key benefit. Real estate generally increases in value over time. Think about how much property values have grown over the past few decades. This kind of appreciation can turn your initial investment into something much bigger. Finally, there's leverage. With real estate, you don't have to pay the full price up front. You can use a mortgage to buy a property, which means you're only putting down a small percentage of the cost. This lets you control a valuable asset with less of your own money. Real estate offers cash flow, tax benefits, appreciation, and leverage. 4 powerful reasons it's a strong contender for a forever investment. Chapter 2. Options Trading. Options trading might sound intimidating, but it's actually a way to potentially boost your wealth quickly, if you know what you're doing. So, what makes options trading worth considering as a long-term investment? First, options can supercharge your returns. With options, you're not just buying a stock, you're buying the right to buy or sell a stock at a specific price. This gives you the chance to profit from price changes without needing to own the actual stock. It can be a fast way to make gains, especially when you have a solid strategy. Options trading is also a skill you can develop over time. It's all about understanding market patterns, technical analysis, and using tools to make informed decisions. With practice, you can improve your ability to spot profitable opportunities. But options trading isn't without risks. That's where risk management comes in. Successful traders use strategies like stop-loss orders to minimize losses and protect their capital. It's all about balancing the potential for high rewards with smart risk control. Lastly, options trading keeps you sharp and engaged. It's a dynamic way to invest, with opportunities to learn and adapt daily. For those willing to put in the time and effort, options trading can be a powerful tool to grow wealth consistently. Chapter 3. Bitcoin as a digital asset. Bitcoin is one of the most talked about investments of our time, and for good reason. As a digital asset, it offers something unique compared to traditional investments. Let's explore why Bitcoin might be a contender for a long-term, all-in investment. First, there's scarcity. Bitcoin is often called digital gold because only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This limited supply means it's protected against inflation, unlike traditional currencies that governments can print more of. As demand grows, this scarcity could drive its value even higher. Then there's the tech adoption curve. Just like the internet transformed our lives, Bitcoin is part of the next wave of digital transformation. More companies and individuals are starting to accept and use Bitcoin, which could boost its value as adoption spreads. Bitcoin is also a potential hedge against inflation. It's decentralized, meaning no single government or entity controls it. This makes Bitcoin attractive for those looking to protect their wealth from currency devaluation and other economic shifts. Finally, Bitcoin has long-term potential as a major player in the future financial system. As digital assets become more mainstream, Bitcoin could continue to grow in importance and value. For those comfortable with volatility, Bitcoin could be a solid part of a long-term strategy. Chapter 4. Dividend Stocks. Dividend stocks are a favorite for many investors because they offer steady income no matter what the market's doing. Let's explore why dividend stocks might be the forever investment you're looking for. First, dividend payments provide a reliable income stream. When you own dividend stocks, you receive regular payments simply for holding shares in a company. This means you can earn income regardless of whether the stock price goes up or down. Dividend-paying companies are often financially stable. They tend to be established businesses with consistent earnings and cash flow, which allows them to pay out dividends. By investing in these companies, you're putting your money in businesses that are more likely to weather economic ups and downs. Another benefit is the power of reinvestment. You can choose to reinvest your dividends to buy more shares, which helps your investment grow over time. This is a great way to take advantage of compounding, where your money earns more money. Finally, dividend stocks can create multi-generational wealth. Since you're receiving income without having to sell the stocks, you can hold on to them for decades and even pass them on to your family. It's a simple yet powerful way to build wealth that can last. If you're looking for stability and passive income, dividend stocks could be your top choice. Chapter 5. Growth Stocks. Growth stocks are all about potential, companies that are rapidly expanding and could deliver substantial returns over time. If you're looking for excitement and high rewards, growth stocks might be the investment you choose forever. The main appeal of growth stocks is their high growth potential. These are companies that are expected to grow faster than the overall market, often because they're in booming industries like tech or renewable energy. Investing in these stocks can bring big gains as the companies expand. But with high potential comes higher risk. Growth stocks can be more volatile, which means their prices can swing widely. However, with the right research and a long-term perspective, you can identify companies that are likely to become industry leaders. Picking growth stocks requires patience and strategy. It's not about quick wins, but rather about finding companies with solid fundamentals and holding on to them as they grow. The goal is to choose stocks you believe will dominate their markets for years to come. Finally, growth stocks can be a great way to enhance your portfolio's returns. By adding a few well-chosen growth stocks to a balanced portfolio, you can increase your overall gains while still managing risk. If you're willing to ride out the ups and downs, growth stocks offer a path to substantial wealth over time. Chapter 6. Index Funds and ETFs. Index funds and ETFs are popular for a reason. They offer a simple, low way to invest in a wide range of stocks. If you're looking for an investment that's easy to manage and consistently delivers, these could be the perfect forever choice. One of the biggest benefits is diversification. When you invest in an index fund or ETF, you're buying a piece of a whole market or sector. For example, an S&P 500 index fund includes 500 of the largest companies in the US, spreading your risk across multiple industries. This helps balance out the ups and downs of individual stocks. Index funds and ETFs are also known for being low cost and low maintenance, because they simply track the performance of a market index. There's no need for active management, which keep fees down. And since these funds adjust automatically to reflect market changes, you don't have to worry about constantly checking your portfolio. Another key advantage is consistent returns. Historically, broad market index funds have provided steady growth over time, making them a reliable option for long-term investors. Finally, index funds and ETFs are tax efficient. They have lower turnover, which can mean fewer capital gains taxes. Plus, you can reinvest dividends to boost your returns further. Index funds and ETFs might be the ultimate choice for a hassle-free and stable investment. If I were to pick just one, I'd go with the investment that fits my lifestyle and future plans best. So now, I encourage you to think about your own goals and which one investment could bring you the most value in the long run. Remember, it's all about finding what works for you.